Okay, so then we come into the really important parts. So this is what's going to keep us alive while we're going. So we've got a battery bank here, which is powered by solar panels on the roof of each cabin. And then if we come around to the other side, you'll see what these batteries power. So this is what's called a water maker. So it does what it says really. Sucks in the seawater, pushes it through this very complicated system, and then pumps it out here as fresh water. So we need to make water every day really hot where we're going to be going. So we're going to be going from Tenerife over to Antigua, like I said, but that's right in the middle of the ocean. It's going to be about 40 degrees. So drinking up to 10 litres of water a day. So this is the most important bit of kit to keep us alive. We also need this to rehydrate all the food that we're going to be carrying. So this is the one thing that we've got to keep up tip-top working condition. Right to the back, you've got your second solar panel, and we've got a spare one inside as well. And underneath, we haven't got it on at the moment, but there's a big long, what we call a rudder, which you move side to side to steer the boat in the right direction.
Right, what about the safety stuff you were talking about before, Gareth?
So safety-wise, we've got to have equipment for every eventuality. So underneath the floor here, we've got a life raft which inflates into a full encapsulated pod. If the boat's sinking for any reason, or it catches fire, or any kind of disastrous situation, pull the life raft out of there, pull a cord, it inflates into a big raft, you jump over, the boat sinks, and then I float off into the distance and call the Coast Guard. We've also got in the front here, there is all sorts of different safety bits and bobs. So we've got a couple of beacons that we then set off. So a couple of beacons that we set off. So if anything was to happen, if I get injured or there's a major problem with the boat and I can't carry on, pull the cord on the beacon and then it'll alert the authorities. But out in the middle of the Atlantic, we could be up to 4 or 5 days away from rescue. So it's a case of pull the cord and wait for someone to come and help you. We've also got a bit of communication equipment, which is stored in the back cabin, down in the little side bits. We've got 2 satellite phones, and we've got a satellite Wi-Fi unit. It's not the kind of Wi-Fi you'll be used to. It takes about 4 hours to upload a picture, and you can't really tell what the picture is. But that satellite phone is going to allow me to be in contact with home, with the Coast Guard, with the race organisers, and that's probably the most important bit of kit we've got altogether. And then we've also got all of our waterproof gear, survival suits that you wrap yourself up in. You've got flares for setting off to alert the ships of your position. And then we've got a little toolkit just tucked right in the back, used for and lots of spares for replacing everything on the boat should it be needed. And that's about it.